This chocolate mug cake is a lifesaver. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are making chocolate mug cake in microwave. I am adding 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour in a cup. I did not sift it, so you can skip that step as well. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can use the castor sugar as well. It's totally up to you. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I use cocoa powder of Rosemore Company. You can use any company's cocoa powder, but I found it best. That's why I'm sharing the brand. Half teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. We are done with our dry ingredients and now we will mix it. After mixing our dry ingredients, we will add 2 tablespoons of oil and 3 tablespoons of milk. Prefer using milk at room temperature. In my experience, it results better than the cold one. Okay, I have shown this bottle of vanilla essence in my previous video as well, and I'm sharing it again because I really like the results. It works best for me. You only need to add 2 to 3 drops of it. If you guys are using normal vanilla essence, then do add 1/4 teaspoon of it. We will give it a really good mix that no lumps left behind in our mixture. Your mixture should also have the same consistency just like mine. It should not be very thick and it should not be runny at all. It should have this consistency. Okay, I'm gonna top it with the chunks of milk chocolate. You can use dark chocolate, chocolate chips, or anything you like, or even you can skip this step as well. But for a bit fancier look, you need to top it with something like this. Okay, now it's ready to go into the microwave. Okay, so every microwave works and absorbs the moisture differently. It might take 10 or 20 seconds extra, but keep an eye on it. Do not burn it. If you like your cake all moist and gooey, then make sure the top of your cake should look exactly like this. Okay, to be honest, I cannot wait to dig in, and I'm gonna top it with chocolate syrup as well because I just love it.